Hi everyone, this is Gina with Cooking with Gina Bug. I just want to let y'all know that I haven't been here for a while, I know, but we've been doing summer fun with the kids and doing weddings and beach pictures and stuff with the Imaginist Films. It's been a long ride this summer, but we've kind of calmed down and we're back to doing the videos for the cooking show, and which is very important to me. It's something that I love to do. Today we're going to be doing the multiple stuffed peppers, the multiple colors is what I mean. We've got orange, we've got yellow, everything but green. We've done the green bell peppers, but we're going to be using different things today. We're going to be using the cooked and uncooked sauces that go into the peppers, and one is going to have sausage, one is not going to have sausage, and for people who don't like meat, and believe me, there's a lot of people who don't like meat. I don't understand it, but there are. And we're going to do the cooked sausage, and then we're going to do uncooked sausage, and we're going to do one with jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, and one with just cream cheese. I don't like the hot stuff. My husband does, but I do not. So the kids love it, but they don't like it too hot. So we're going to be doing those, and we're going to be doing some cheesy bread, homemade cheesy bread that I come up with. It's a real hit for football parties, for banquets, for weddings. They love it. You take a piece of bread and you cut it into fours and you put stuff on it, everybody will eat it with marinara sauce. So let's get to cooking.
Welcome to Cooking with Gina Bug. Today she's cooking sweet stuffed peppers. This is part of a 3-video series, so let's get cooking.
Okay guys, what I've done is I've taken some rice vinegar and I've taken some Colossian pickle juice. This is the best stuff in the world for everything. And I have put my tops, I've cut them just like this. We're going to take them, we're going to cut them just like that. We're going to make sure that these little cores right here are out. Just run your knife around like this and get it out, all out like this. Sometimes they're stubborn. We're going to take that out. We're going to put it in our pickle juice and our rice vinegar. And we're going to save our tops. Do not do anything with the tops. Go to this one. There's nothing in there, so that's fine, and our rice tops. Now, I have soaked these right here for about 3 hours in this rice vinegar and this Colossian pickle juice. And you get it real, it's almost tangy. You can feel it's a little tangy. So I know which ones to use. And I soaked these for about 3 hours, and then after that, you take them out. See that one, you can see the difference between the two. You take it out, and then we're going to start stuffing it with our sausage that's uncooked. See this? Let me tell you what's in here. I put Italian sausage that you can get from any grocery store. I put jalapeno cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese. And I also put paprika sauce, and I put onions, tomatoes, green onions, ginger, the rest of the peppers, and then I had left over, bacon, and garlic. Now I use fresh garlic. That means that I crushed it, I cored it, and then I chopped it up. That's the only way to go. And then I put it in my blender, and I blend it together, and this is what it made. It made this pretty sauce here. I kept calling it a pate today, and my husband told me that pate was liver. So I will never say pate again because nobody wants to eat liver. Then you just take your pepper, and then you just put it as much as you can stuff in there, just like this. I mean, you just keep stuffing it, and you want to have some on the outside of it, just like this, before you take the top that you've been soaking for 3 hours. Before you attach it, you want to leave some on the outside, and the reason for that is because we're going to put it over here, and we're going to take our cheese. This is mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. That's all it is. You can get in a bag. You're going to take it and you're going to sprinkle it on top of it. And then you're going to take your paprika. You're going to put it on top of it. Salt and pepper. You're going to salt and pepper it. You're going to take your salt, just sprinkle it on top of it. And you're going to take your pepper and you're going to sprinkle on top of it. Now, to prepare these really good, you need to make sure that you already have your onion and your tomato, your green onion, which are chives, the rest of your pepper that's left over. If I don't have any left over, I just take one of these peppers and I cut it up finely. That's what I did with this one. And I use bacon. What you do is you just fry some bacon up, or you put it in the microwave, or you put it in the oven, and you cook it, and you use the bacon grease, and the bacon grease goes in here. You don't ever get rid of bacon grease. And then I took a yellow onion. Do not use white. It'll be too bitter. And then I used 2 of my garlic cloves, uncooked, and chopped them up. And then it all went in here and I grind it up. Then you take I've got the Parmesan and the Romano cheese, and you just kind of sprinkle it on top of it, like so. And this is what they look like. And I use yellow and orange. I did not do green. And then after this, you put it in the oven for, let's say, 17 minutes. 17 minutes you want to put it in the oven. And you want to cook it for 17 minutes on 350. After 17 minutes, we'll take it out. We'll look at it and see how it looks. And then you want to cook it on 400 for 5 minutes. After that, because you want that kind of crisp look on the top, and you want your cheese melted on top of it. You want it to be real kind of firm and crusty and not real soggy. So we're going to go ahead and put this in our oven and let it cook for 17 minutes, and we'll be back. Yeah, guys, I forgot before I put it in there, you need to cover this up when you're baking it at the 350 for 17 minutes, because it's going to splatter all over your oven. And also, it'll make it more tender if you cover it up. So I covered mine up with tin foil, and I'm putting it in here for 17 minutes at 350. See you back in 17 minutes. All right, the pepper timer went off. So we're going to open up the oven and see how the peppers are doing. Let's see how they look. And that's after 17 minutes on the peppers. So they're looking wonderful. What we're going to do at this point is they're baked. We're going to broil them. We're going to put tiny bit of cheese on top of them, just left over that I have. Now I'm going to mix with my mozzarella that we just did from the cheesy bread, and I'm just going to put a little bit on top of it. There's left. I'm going to use up what I got left, and we're going to put this on broil. I'm going to cancel this and put it on broil for 5 minutes at 400. Now be done. Okay. Start putting them back in there, uncovered, for 5 minutes. I promise you it'll be the best thing you ever tasted. It is so delicious. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to take them out. Those look wonderful. They look good. All right, so you're just going to let them sit here and cool. And you're gonna wait on your wonton wrappers to come out. Got about 12 more minutes on those and they'll be done. But these look delicious. Look at that. They look so good. See, look, you can see it. See, it makes its own little party inside of the bell pepper. Or whatever pepper it is. They look good. Okay, guys, I've got our peppers out that we prepared. And I've made a ranch dressing. Also a ginger dressing for the bell peppers. This is ginger, chives, horseradish, and just a tiny bit of soy sauce and salt and pepper. That's all this is. And it's delicious with bell peppers. And you can make a lot of it for football games or whatever you want to use it for. And these bell peppers will go a long way. If you fixed, let's say 12 or to 15 come in a pack, you buy 3 or 4 packs, and you could feed a whole football team. So these are really good, and they're filling because, like I said, there's a party in the middle. So, and ranch is real good with this too. Come over here, Brandon, try it and tell us how it is. He's gonna try it for me. Chives, salt and pepper. And it's really good combination. You get fresh ginger and cut it up though.
All right, here we go. All right.
Gotta try the
party
sauce.
with the party inside.
With the party inside, yeah.
All right, we'll try it dipped in some of the
Okay.
sauce.
All right. If you don't want it too strong with the ginger, just don't put that much in it because ginger is very strong. Good.
Oh my goodness, I want more of that.
Is it good as good as wasabi?
Oh, it tastes like. It's not heavy, but it's delicious.
Right.
It's got a lot of flavor going
Right.
on.
Like, and most people like at night, especially when they get home, they're tired, they don't want to do a lot of cooking. You can put these in the oven. We spent 20 minutes on this whole meal. And then we put it back in there for 5 minutes on broil. So under 30 minutes, you could have all this if you just get it. You could soak this stuff before you went to work, and when you come home, it'd be ready. And the dill and the colossian and the rice vinegar, when you got home, you just stuff it in there and already have your sauce made up. And it's very cheap and it's very good and it's healthy. So a lot of people like to top this with avocado. I didn't have any, but avocado is really good in this. You can put avocado in your bread. You can put it in your salad. You can put it on in your bell peppers or your sweet peppers, what most people call it. It's really good. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you need anything, we're going to put the recipe for the sauce that we put inside the sweet peppers and inside the wonton wrappers. If you have any questions, please just feel free to text me or message me at Cooking at Gina Bug or at Regina Blake or Regina Riley 73 at gmail.com. Any of those are fine to contact me. Thanks for watching Cooking with Gina Bug. Please like, follow, and share. Please like, follow, and share. I know a lot of y'all like the videos, but if you can follow me so I can update you on new future events and what's going on. I'm going to be doing a fundraiser soon and just a lot of little things that I have prepared for the Christmas time and for New Year's. I want everybody to be a part of it. So please follow me and so I can make sure that stuff gets to you. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Thanks for watching Cooking with Gina Bug. Please be sure to follow so you don't miss out on any future videos.